In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters on CapCut Video PC. If you want to instantly improve the colors, lighting, and overall mood of your footage without spending a lot of time on manual adjustments, filters are one of the easiest tools to use. CapCut gives you a large built-in library of ready-made looks, so you can quickly give your video a cleaner, brighter, more cinematic, or more stylized appearance in just a few clicks. To get started, go to the top left area of the interface where the main toolbar layout options are located and click on the Filters tab. This will open CapCut's filter library and give you access to a wide range of pre-made color grading presets. These presets are designed to help you change the visual style of your footage quickly, which is especially useful if you want a polished look without doing advanced color correction yourself. Once you're inside the Filters section, look over to the left sidebar menu. Here you'll see different style categories such as Clear, Life, and Mono. These folders help organize the available looks, so you can browse based on the kind of visual feel you want for your video. Click on any category that matches your style, then look through the thumbnail grid in the main panel. Each thumbnail gives you a preview of the overall effect, making it easier to find a filter that suits your footage. When you find a filter you like, click the blue plus sign icon on the corner of that thumbnail. As soon as you do that, CapCut will place a new teal filter layer directly onto your timeline. This means the filter has now been applied as an editable layer, which gives you control over how long it appears and how strong the effect looks. Next, make sure that filter covers your entire video. To do that, click and drag the outer edges of the teal filter bar on the timeline until it lines up perfectly with your clips. This is important because if the filter layer is shorter than your footage, the effect will only appear on part of the video. If the filter feels a little too intense, don't worry. Go to the top right properties panel and adjust the strength slider. Lowering it to around 80 is often a great starting point because it softens the look and helps the filter blend more naturally with your original footage. This way, your video still looks enhanced but not over-processed. And that's it. You've just added professional-looking color grading and visual enhancement to your CapCut video on PC in only a few quick clicks. You're all set.